This is it. This is my grandpa's 1994 SA200. It's got a TM27 engine in it. He bought this machine brand new in 94. I believe it was 94. When he bought it from Lincoln, he was dead set on what machine he wanted, this and that, which this is kind of faded out, but Lincoln put an actual faceplate on it with his name on it, the serial number of this machine and what number it was when it was ordered. That's pretty cool. But this machine, Steve Barty, everybody knows him as Hoss, restored this machine last year for us. I'm just now getting around to unboxing it. I've had it for about 7 months in a crate. We just unboxed it. I put it on this truck just for fun today because I was at home, and we're just gonna walk around it, show some stuff on the welding machine. Now, Lincoln and Miller owners are like Ford and Dodge, or Chevrolet and Ford owners. You can't tell the other one that one's better than the other because they'll argue with you. Now, my grandpa, he's die-hard Lincoln SA200. There's no other welder in the world or machine in the world that welds like this one of his mine. I was raised on these machines, but when I started my business, y'all have heard me say before, I needed a smaller machine with an air pack on it, and at the time Miller is the only company that offered that, and that's why we went with the 302 to get my business started. And I've loved that machine so much, that's why I ended up buying me a Pike Pro 400, and I won't look back now. I love that 400. But this here was a cool, unique build. I'll try to get some photos from Steve Barber on his rebuild on it and post it later in another video. But he completely went through this whole machine. The inside of it looks brand spanking new. He rerun all the wires, ran new wire, put a new board in it. On this back door panel, you'll kind of see some blue tape. I'm gonna let my grandfather pull that off. That's an envelope of everything that Steve done, and I'm sure he probably wrote my grandfather a note and put in there. Once I scoot this welder off the truck, you know, from my paw, I'll let him go through it. But other than that, this is definitely a jam up machine. My grandpa had 25 or 26,000 hours on it. It started burning oil. You'd have to pull one of the spark plugs out every now and then, dry it out, and then put the plug back in it, and it would run for a day or two, and you have to repeat the process. So Steve took care of that for us. On top of it, he stripped it completely down, bare frame, all the bolts, and painted everything and fixed it back up. But although I am a Miller man, I do kind of like to look at this Lincoln pipe liner on the back of our new bed here we got. It's gonna be real hard for me to give it back to my grandfather. But either way, that's that. Hope y'all liked the video, and let us know what you think my grandpa's reaction is going to be once he sees this welding machine. We appreciate y'all watching.